everybody, Danny here. Let's put some mid-ground trees in and maybe some rocks along the bottom, okay? I'll meet you over at the easel. And alrighty then, here we go. Let's work on this area here. Now, we're just kind of dibble-dabbling with various shades of yellows and greens. Okay, and all this will work together to give us a bank that we can be proud of. Okay. Okay, there we go. And all this is doing is it's saying that, yeah, there's a bank here, and there are bushes on that bank. We're not going to lose all of our yellows or all of our greens or anything else. We're going to hold on to them, okay, so that everybody, when they look at it, will know that it's our bank, and you can crawl around on that bank if you want to. Okay, and right here, okay, we're just going to put some black right along here, just like that, and that's going to pretend that it's rocks. Okay, it's going to pretend that it's rocks. Okay, we're just going to run it right off just like that. And we'll take our rag, we'll just tap and touch and tap, just like that. Just like that. And then we can come in and we can just dabble and highlight like that. So, be sure to be with us tomorrow, and we will actually start working on the water. But today, we accomplished our task. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the link. Let us know how we're doing by commenting. And for goodness sakes, remember that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you. And there we go. We got trees. We got a impression of a rock shore. We're ready to go. Okay, now remember, Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you.